My name is Anita Medina, and tonight I will be presenting a portion of Chapter 6, Marketing Research, starting with internet-based approaches and ending with knowledge management matrix. Internet-based research has become a primary data collection format, showing decline in traditional methods of surveying such as telephone and mail. Getting consumers to participate in online surveys, although difficult, has shown consumers are more willing to give up their own time online. A survey conducted by MarketResearchCareers.com found that 95% of marketers use online research methodology, and 71% are worried by the low response rates. Here are 4 examples MarketResearchCareers.com has used successfully for online research. Number 1 is creative test. Finding a base of subject, produce a creative way of getting your audience's attention, such as a short video or a poster, and request a survey be completed after viewing. If you have captured your audience, they are more likely to complete your request and finish the survey. Number 2, customer satisfaction. Ensuring a method for consumers to rate their experience shows that the company is interested in what the consumer believes is working and what is not working, and that their opinion matters. Number 3, product development. How can you, the consumer, assist in making our product, company, or your experience better? Asking questions to assist in shaping the company and or product is important to the consumer. Number 4, reputation management. Make sure you know what is being posted about your company. When a mistake happens, take ownership and repair and reach out to your consumers. Make the situation right as soon as possible, or pay the consequences of negative retribution. Internet research may include the following online activities. Number 1, experiments. A research attempt to find cause and effect. Number 2, focus groups. Attempt to collect in-depth information from small members of participants. 2A, respondent authenticity. Ensuring the person the survey is intended for is the person completing the survey. Number 3, observation. Monitoring people's behavior by watching them in relevant situations. 3A, really simple syndication RSS feeds are an extensible markup language format designed to share headlines and other web content. 4, surveys. Surveys may be conducted by email invitation to a website. The advantages of online surveys is that they are fast and inexpensive to the company, have a broad reach, reduce error, prompt honest responses, restricted placed, and are easy to tabulate. Disadvantages of surveys in online surveys are poor generalization of results to poor sample selection, self-selection bias, and an inability to confirm the respondent's authenticity, frivolous or dishonest respondents, and duplicate submissions. Content analysis, the examination of text or images in order to evaluate the communication's content. Online survey research. Research conducts surveys in several ways. Intercept sampling, direct target, panels are opt-in communicating, bulletin board, or groups. Web surveys. Many companies post on their website. One method is probability sample. A sample selection in such a way that each item or person in the population being studied has an equal likelihood of being included in the sample. Next is sampling. An arrangement in which users are allowed to sample a digital product prior to purchase. For example, software companies provide a free 30 to 60-day trial, and online music stores give 30-second sound clips to customers. Next, online panels. A panel for people who are paid to be the subject of marketing research, also called single source data systems or opt-in communities. Ethical of online research. Companies have to find decisions to entice consumers and considering ethical repercussions, ensuring that what they are doing is ethical and legal. Other technology-enabled approaches. The first one is client-side data collection, which refers to collecting information about consumer click behavior right at the user's PC. The second one is server-side data collection, information about consumer surfing that is gathered and recorded on a web server. Third one is real-time profiling, use of special software to track a user's movement throughout the website, then compile and report on data at a moment's notice. Next we have RealSpace. RealSpace primary data collection refers to technology-enabled approach to gather information offline that is subsequently stored and used in marketing databases. Data collection occurs at offline points of purchase and information is stored and used in marketing databases. RealSpace techniques include barcodes, scanners, and credit card terminals. Catalina Marketing uses UPS for promoting purposes at grocery stores. Marketing databases and database warehousing. Cloud computing is a network of online web servers in remote locations from company used to store to manage data. As you can see in the model, we have applications, platform, infrastructures, and we are connected at so many levels that we are being monitored all the time on what our spending is, where we're going, and what we're doing. Data mining and RFM analysis, micro and macro environment. Consumer profiling, use of data warehouse information to help marketers understand the characteristics and behavior of specific target groups. Using RFM analysis includes recency, frequency, monetary value, and report generating. Data mining, extraction of hidden predictive information from a warehouse via strategical analysis in or to find patterns and other information. The macro and micro has to do with the RFM analysis. What is happening with the company and what is happening outside of the company. And finally, knowledge management matrix. The first one, ROI, or return on investment. A measurement of investment success. It is calculated by dividing net profit by total assets multiplied by fixed plus current. Next is total cost of ownership, TCO, largely a metric used by information technology managers. TCO includes not only the cost of hardware and software and labor for data storage, but also other items such as cost savings by reducing web server downtime and labor requirements. And that concludes Chapter 6, second part. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you. Have a great evening.